Alright guys, back with another wee review. This time with a Polish energy drink. The Witcher's OSHEE Energy Elixir. A video game branded energy drink. You've got Blizzard and Cat, apple kiwi, strawberry lime. I think I'm gonna go for that one. The Blizzard. It's like the potions that Mr. The Witcher, Geralt of Rivia, takes in the game. Got these from Home Bargains in the centre of Kilmarnock, next to the Pim Stretcher and the Burns Mall. Let's see if these give me special powers. If you've never played the game, maybe I can recommend the Netflix show, The Witcher, starring the amazing Henry Cavill. Nice branding on there. So if you scan it on your PC, you can get 2,000 nagrod. Yeah, it's all in Polish, so it must be imported. I see. Let's see if it tastes like strawberry and lime. Oh, that's really nice. Gaming edition. Taste of melted ice poles. Do love ice cream, ice poles, slushies, anything that's made of ice. I can feel the special powers taking hold just before I go to work. As you can see, he has cat eyes, as this potion will give you. Meow. Here's a wee story about Geralt and what made him the Witcher. These were only 70p if I remember rightly, which is pretty good on account of the size of the can. You wouldn't get away with paying that for a can of Monster. They charge about like £1.50. If you go for the other ones like the Mango Loco and the Bunch Pipeline. And that's the medallion he wears. Nice branding for what I assume would just be the regular flavours of the energy drink. But calling it an elixir rather than an energy drink is a good marketing on their part. Makes it seem magical. I am now the Witcher.